group bar graph. Groups bar graph. Group bar graph. I will give an example. Okay, let me give example to show about the group bar graph. So the following table of frequency showing the number of songs in formats. In formats. Formats. Okay. Example. Example. Okay. 6 years or let's say this is this types. So this is the data that show the number of sold of VCD and CD. I think now there's no many shop that sell CD and VCD. It's like people are using YouTube and some other stuff instead. But before we do use that uh, CD and VCD. Yeah, but January, February, February, March, and April. So number of receipts sold is 350 pieces, and this is 300 pieces. This is 310 pieces, 240, 60, 350, 200s, and 200s. Okay, make it easier here. Yeah, and the question is so a display a group bar graph, display a group bar graph, and for B find the difference of number of source of CD and VCD. VCD and CD. Okay. So, okay. So when we have two data or more than two data, we cannot be used with the bar graph. With one bar graph, it's only can be displayed just one type of products or one type of frequency. But now we have two different frequency. So when we have two or more frequency, what we should do is group bar graph.
Right.
Okay. I need to check. Are you there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the group bar graph is similar to the bar graph actually, but what we should do is now we have we have 4 months and we have two products. We have 4 months and we have two products. So the group bar graph should be the vertical line should be two types and the horizontal should be in 4 months. Yeah, okay,
Okay.
I will do the example here. So group bar graph, graph. So here group bar graph will shown like this. This is month. This is number of soul. So for January, we have CD to be sold 350 pieces. 350 pieces. So let's say one.
That long of a horizontal line?
e- Okay. So here are the things. When we have 300 scale, when we have 300 scale, what should we scale? We cannot.
Scale?
Yeah. How do we scale 300 here?
100 to 200. Like we do by 100 first, and then in
Correct.
the middle we do fives,
Correct.
right?
So yeah, so we can scale it by 100 or scale it by 50. Can be scaled by 50 or 100. We cannot scale like from one, right?
50.
Yeah, 50 or 100 should be fine. So for example, one grid is 50, so 200. This is 100, 150, 200, 250, 300 here. So 300 here. So the CD, the VCD is 300 here, while the CD, oh, this is 350. So 350 should be here. Okay, 350. CD is 350, while the CD is 300. So what we should do is we paint the different color of the bar graph and we label it.
Yeah. Hold up. I'm reading an email from my mom. Oh
Okay,
no, from the school.
okay, okay.
From my mom.
Yes, yes.
Does that make sense? I don't care anyway.
Hi there, sir. Hmm.
Ooh, I have a really important test.
Oh,
It's a state test, nation's the no state test.
oh, state test.
Yeah, and the nation test too.
Okay.
Nation my test too.
Is it for the
The,
history?
it's for it's for reading and math. It's always about reading and math.
Oh, it also have math.
Yeah,
Okay. And anything we should be prepared? Oh,
dude. There's nothing that they give us to prepare for it. They want to know how much we actually know in the moment, so they don't give us anything to prepare for it.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
I feel like we should review from the start. what we have learned.
Should we should we should we not do bar graph or no?
Now
We keep doing.
let's keep doing this, and maybe tomorrow we can review from these beginnings. When is your test?
Huh?
When is your test? When?
Uh,
Tomorrow. When?
okay, the state one is March 25th. Huh?
Wait.
Wait. Eh?
Oh, 25th?
March
What?
25th through April 26th.
Oh,
And
and
then with the national one, it's April 22nd through May 17th.
so meaning so the state one is next week, maybe between next week,
Yeah.
and then like
And
the nation one is next month.
yeah.
Oh, actually, we have a lot of time. Okay. Actually, this part is also need to be reviewed as well. So after this, okay, after the group bar graph, we will have the pie chart. Pie chart. Maybe you have already studied, but
Oh yeah.
review, yes, pie chart, and then after that, it will be going to the mean median modes, which is we need to be reviewed as well. So this lesson should be reviewed as well. Okay, so continue with here. I thought like a state exam should be talking about the history of the United States, something like that.
No. It isn't like that. It's stuff like it's like stuff like for reading. It's like essays that you have to read and then
Oh,
answer about. And then for like math, it's stuff like it ranges on how hard it is,
hmm,
but like it's on. It goes like fractions to like stuff. I don't know.
hmm,
It just like does a lot of stuff.
I see. Okay, so let's continue. Now we have okay. Now we show the group bar graph for January. Now for February we have CD is 310 and 310, so 310. Okay, we already drove. We already drawn. We already drawn for January. This is the VCD. This is a CD. We color it in different colors, so you need to label it as well. Label it. When it is red, it's the VCD. When it is green, it is CD. Okay. Then the reader can read this group bar graph and see, oh, the red one is VCD, this is the CD, so they can track the data. Okay, for February, there will be 310. 310 should be a little bigger here. 310. While the CD is 220, CD 240 here. Okay. In your drawing, these two should be aligned together, not like there's a gap here. It should be aligned together. Should be aligned together here. Okay. And then for the March, he is 360, 360, and the CD is 350. 50 here. Last month is Abros. 200. Both are 200. So here, 70. Okay. Okay. So you can display the group bar graph like this, but don't forget you need to be label it. Label it.
What do you say label like that? Sorry.
Sorry, label.
Label.
Label. Or is it label or label? Okay.
Label.
Okay, labels. But it written as label, right?
Yeah, but it's like
Okay.
English has no accents, like accent marks, so
Label. Okay, label it. Don't forget the label it. Because otherwise, if you give only this graph, the reader, for example, you open the store, and then your store managers give you only this bar graph, but don't say anything, don't label it, then you will see like, oh, how can I figure it out?
right.
Right? So you need to be label it. Right. So this is for A. Then B, they ask find the difference of number of soul of CD and BCD. So number of soul of CD and BCD is
Oh, sorry.
mhm,
For January, it's 350 and 300.
yes. So the number of soul we just subtract it, right? Subtract each month. So just this subtract this is 50. So for B, B can we? For B, VCD sold more than CD,
It's for
50
for
pieces.
Feb for February, it's 70.
Yes, yes, yes. So for January, CD sold more than CD. VCD sold more than CD, 50 pieces. February,
March 10.
yeah, VCD still sold more than, this is the same word, sold more than CD. Subtract here is 70, yes, 70
For
pieces.
March, it's 10, and for April, same thing.
Okay, March is still VCD sold more than CD. CD 10 pieces. Then Avro CD and VCD equal to CD. So both sides equals.
Right.
Okay. For example, you are the owner. So which month you will give bonus to your staff? We will see.
Bonus,
Yeah, for example, oh, you feel good and like, oh, I want to give bonus to my staff, but on what month?
March,
Correct. So,
because they sell the most, right? Yeah.
yeah, when we sell more, we get more profit. So, okay, much. I give you more bonus. Okay, okay, so next, it's a group bar graph, another example of group bar graph, but this will be involving with, okay, I will give the example and you can guess what should we do. Example 2, table of frequency below. So number of students for school for school. Okay, a second. Display display the group bar graph of the percentage of number of men and women. Okay. Here they want to show as a percentage while they given the number 5, school, let's say school, the name of school is school A, this is school B, this is school C. Then make the names complicated. C. This is number of boys and girls. Okay, I think boy and girl is boys and girl. Boys and girls. A 110. Girl is 95. This is 90. This is 83. C 102. 75. This is 125. This is 18. Okay. Okay. For example, you collect the data from four schools. Let's say you are the governor and you collect the data from each school. School A have 110 boys and 95 girls. School B have this number of students, boy and girl. School C, school D. So then you want to ask your assistant to show the data of the bar graph. But if you show the data of bar graph just a simple frequency, then you cannot rely how many you can rely how many boy and how many girl, but in not in percentage. What you want to know is to yeah, what you want to know is you want to balance them. So you ask your assistant to do a group bar graph, but display in a percentage. Display in a percentage. Okay? Display in the percentage. Because your purpose is to balance them. You need the data to balance them, like balance the number of boy and numbers of girl, not to compare A and B. Because like some school at the city, a lot of students, some school in the rural area, less students, so cannot be compared. But what should be compared is the balance, the number of boy and number of girl. So show the bar graph, group bar graph, but as a percentage. Okay. So
Okay.
okay, the group bar graph and the percentage. So what should we do first? Can we draw the bar graphs, group bar graph immediately?
We turn the numbers into a percentage.
Yeah, we turn the number into the percentage first. So don't draw the bar graph immediately. So how do we find the percentage of boy and percentage of girl for the school A? Let's do school A first. School A. So then what we should do first is percentage boy
We should
for school A.
do is over of
Yes, it's over all.
equals percent over 100. We turn that into is times of. I mean, is times 100 divided by of.
Correct. So this is original formula, but what we want to know is the percentage. So percentage will be equal to is times
Times 100
correct
divided by of.
divided by of. Now, what is and what is of?
What it is, what is and what is of.
Yeah, what is and what is of.
Is
Now we find the boy.
is it
Now we find the boy.
is
Mhm.
a boy.
Yeah, a boy for school A.
Oh, it's is is 95.
Wait, the boy for
110.
school A is 110.
110
Right? Yes, yes. He have we read
times
number of boy.
100 over 95
Okay, so 110 times 100 divided by of what? How many students? So
over 95.
95 is the number of girl. 95 is
Wait.
the
We add 110 plus 95,
correct.
which equals to 205.
Correct. So 205. So this is the, when we say of a total number. So this is 205. So 110 times 100 divided by 205 is how many?
Oh, you actually want me to do it? You actually want me
Yes, yeah, I will check your answer with you. What is the percentage?
equals 53.60 66 point
66. Correct. 66. How about number of girls for school A? Number of girls for school A. We will use the same formula. We will use the same formula. So the percentage equal to is times 100 divided by
95 times 100 divided by 205
95 times 100 divided by 205.
equals 43 46.34.
That's 46 point
34.
46.34. Okay. Actually, we can use this formula to be accurate, or otherwise, what should we do? We know that number of boy and number of girl in one school will be total equal to 100, right? So when we find the number of boy, to find number of girl, we just take 100 minus percentage of the boy. So we can either use this way or use this way. Then it
Okay.
should be 46.34. Similar, right? The same. So either way are fine. Okay. Now we have done for school A, presented for school A. Let's check for school B, school C. Okay. Percentage of boy for school B.
B equals
Mm-hmm.
90 times 100
Yeah.
divided by
B times 100 divided by of, while it is,
divided by 173.
okay, so now we find the of. Total is 173, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so is
Equals
equal
50.02. 02.
50.02%. Okay, now we have number of boy, number of girl for B. Okay, this will be a little bit hard. So percentage again will be is over if time 100 divided by all, and then the girl.
Equals 47.97.
Okay, wait. 83 times 100 divided 173. What is the result?
47.97.
47.9. Wait, the answer should be the boy and the girl when add up should be 100%. Now I think it's not reaching to 100. So that should be
Oh,
some, yeah, some error of calculations. Check the percentage of the boy again. It's 50 or 52. Or did I write it incorrect?
oh, 52.
52, yes. 52. This should be 52. 52. So you can also check if the answer come out like this. You say like, oh, these need to be total to be 100%. So, oh, actually, if we add up,
Four.
it will be still 99.99, right? Why there is
Hmm.
0.01 missing?
I don't know.
Because the result of percentage of the girl will be 47.97 and 6. So if we round it up, it will be,
100.
the number of girl when we calculate is 47.97, and then the next digit is 6. So when we cut this out, we need to round this up, right?
Right.
Yeah, so this should be 98. Mhm. So then when we add it up, it's 100%. Okay. School B now percentage of boy for school C. Similarly, percentage is time 100 divided by all. So then we find the number of as well. For C, number of is
Okay. Okay, for C, the boys is 36.28.
Okay, oh, you get the answer. Okay, wait. I need to do it. 177, so 177. So is 102
36.
times 100 divided by 177 will be equal to
36.28.
30, 36.28.
Point 28.
And the number of girl for C,
42.37.
okay, let's rewrite it. There will be 75 times 100 divided by 177. Uh, Again, what is the answer?
For D,
40.
for D or for C,
For C. Girl C.
2.37.
2.
42.37.
37. Hmm. But I think when we add up, it's not 100 for these two. Is it mistaken? Any mistake? 75 times 100 divided by 177. This is 42.37, correct? The above is, oh, here, can you check the number of, the percentage of the boy for school C? Again,
Yeah.
the girl is okay, but percentage of the boy for C,
57.62.
yes, so it's okay. So it should be 57.63%. And that's one percentage of boy for D. Percentage equal to east m 100 divided by of, while of to be written as 205. Right? 205. 205. So then our boy percentage will be 125. 125 times 100 divided by 205, which is equal to
For D,
40.
60 point.
Oh, six,
For D, 60.97.
60.97%. Okay. Then percentage of the girls for D.
It's 39.02.
Okay, so it will be east times 100 divided by of, while easy is okay. I need to be written in full, so 80 times 100 divided by 205. Sorry again, what is the answer for girl D?
I got 39.02.
39.03. 0203.
Oh, 03?
I think it should be
Oh,
03 to add up to be a hundreds.
uh, okay.
Okay, okay. So now we have all the percentage result. What we should do is to collect them into a table of frequency first before construct the group bar graph. Or if you can draw the group bar graph immediately, it will be fine. But sometimes when we have a lot of data, should be collects them into one table. That will be easier. Okay, so
Okay.
Okay, let's say we have, okay, this is school A, B, C, and D. Percentage of boy, percentage of girl. So for A, 53.76, 53.66%. Okay, 56. For girl is 46, 34. For B, it will be 50. Okay. Now, when we have a lot of data, there will be like a little bit confusion. If you not really focus, there will be a lot of confusion. So for B, it will be 52, 52.02. Girl is 47.98, while C is 57.63, and this is 42.77, and D is 60, is 60.97, while D is 39.03. Okay. Now we have these result of percentage in one table of frequency. How do we display it in the group bar graph?
We we should do a pie chart.
We don't study pie charts yet. So we don't study the pie chart
Like
yet.
pie charts are like way easier.
Okay, we don't study the pie chart yet. It will be soon. Tomorrow, it will be tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Well, we can get an early start.
Okay, tomorrow, don't worry. Why we don't use the pie chart actually like for this? Because the pie chart there will be this one pie chart, this one pie chart, this is one pie chart, this is one pie chart. So meaning that it's not collective, meaning they are different, right? It's not in one data. When we use a group bar graph, it's in one data. It looks similar to this, right? It looks similar to this.
Mm.
So when the reader looks, it's look like one data collective. But when it's pie chart, okay, this should be one pie chart, one pie chart, one pie chart, one pie chart. So it's not collectively. Okay. So what you do is draw a pie chart here, group bar graph here, and here. So for example, when we have a little space for the vertical, and now we have a little space for vertical, so we can display the group bar graph horizontally. It doesn't have to be vertically all the time. Can be horizontally.
Horizontally.
Yeah, horizontally. For example, for school A, the boy is 53. So if we grade it by 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it's 53 should be here to here, 53.66, while the girl is 46. 46 here. Point 34 here. Okay, so this is for A, and then for B should be 50. So this is 50, 52. Okay, 52 and 47. 47, 17. Yeah, okay. So B and then C. Percentage of boy will be 57. So 7 here. While adding 42. 42. Okay. And last one for D. Number of boy is 60. 60. 60. 60. While number of girl is only 39. Okay. And then don't forget to label it.
To what?
Is it label? Label, okay. Label it. The red is percentage of the boys, while the greens is percentage of the girls. Okay. So this is percentage. This is by reading this group diagram. By reading this group, how do you conclude the result?